Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can fix WhatsApp notification error. So let's start without wasting any time. To solve the notification error, you have to click on three lines and go to settings. In settings, you have to go to notifications. If you click on notification, you will find all the settings related to notification. You have to make sure that you have made correct settings for the notification, like you have turned on the notifications for all your messages and you have not set the group notification on silent. If you have set the notification on silent, then it will not show you or ring when you get a message on Facebook, on WhatsApp. You have to change this setting from silent to different. As I prefer silent, that's why I have selected silent. Moreover, you have to select vibrate option according to your desire. You can set it to default and many options. Moreover, you can set the pop-up notifications for WhatsApp for on screen and off screen. Moreover, you can also set high priority notification and other settings. You have to turn on all these settings if you want notifications for WhatsApp. Maybe this problem be solved for this error if you turn on all the notifications. If this problems occurs again, then you have to restart the device or restart WhatsApp so that you can easily solve this problem. And you have to turn off the WhatsApp from your memory and restart your device so that you can easily tackle this problem. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.